Hi everyone, this is a follow-up to the Tailored Expressions installment of my Too Many Cards video series. In the original video, which I have linked below, Sam and I featured the Sarcasti-chick and Sarcasti-chicklets bundles. I had quite a few extra pieces that I had stamped, colored, and die cut. I wanted to make a third card using those images, and this is what I came up with. Way back before slimline cards became popular, I used to make a lot of the smaller slimline cards. These were for the 3 1/4 inch by 6 1/2 inch card size envelopes that Stampin' Up! Sold. To create this card base, I cut a piece of 6 1/2 inch by 6 1/2 inch linen cardstock and I scored it down the center. Then I cut two panels, a black one that covers the entire front of the card base, and the white one, which is slightly smaller at 3 inches by 6 1/4 inches. For this card, I'll be using a sentiment from Sarcasti-chicklets that reads, "Parenting, we're all just winging it. Isn't that true? Especially now that the kids have been home with us 24/7 for the last 3 months." After I determine the layout for all of the elements, I'm going to draw a line to help me gauge where to sponge the floor and the background. I use masking tape and the beautiful blender brushes by Tailored Expressions. After that is done, I stamp and heat emboss the sentiment. Then I adhere both panels to the card base and attach the images with glue dots. I was conflicted as to where to put the speech bubble because I wanted it to come from the chicks, but it didn't look good too far to the right or too close to the mama chick. Ultimately, I made it coming from the wine bottle, which also makes sense, since wine literally calls out to a lot of us when the kids are driving us crazy, right? Now my card is done. I love that I was able to make this card so quickly with the leftovers from my first two cards. The winners of the two $25 gift certificates to the Tailored Expressions store have been announced, so be sure to check if you're one of the lucky winners. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.